Hey folks, it's Paul once again, Barletta Marketing, and what we're going to be discussing is direct response marketing. Direct response marketing is kind of a new term, not so much an old school term when it comes to marketing. Direct response marketing, really the goal of it is for almost an immediate call to action. In this fast-paced world, we don't want to spend much time. We want to put our product or service or whatever it is, our offer, and we want someone to make a purchase immediately. We don't want them to wait, but fact is, you already know through your autoresponders, your email, they have to see it 6 times, half a dozen or so, maybe more, before a purchase. But when it comes to some things like direct mail marketing, crazy cash flyer, folks, you got to get on the boat. If you're having trouble online, come offline. I'm your direct mail specialist. Crazy cash flyer. This flyer, folks, has psychological triggers. When people see this, they don't have to see it a half a dozen times. When they get this out of the envelope, out of the mailbox, and open up the envelope, for every 100 people, we're getting 2 to 3 sales of $450 per sale. What is better than that? So $100 goes to the admin. That sets the next person who's purchased. They can get their starter kit, which consists of 300 hot buyer leads, 300 stamps. Folks, it's a win-win across the board. Can you stuff envelopes? Can you put them in your mailbox? Your P.O. box? If that's the case, you are in profit, because you're going to get at least one disclaimer. Not everyone is going to make money doing this. Why? They don't take action. How many programs do people start and don't follow through? Folks, 3 disciplines, 3 things that have to happen on your online or offline business. The mindset, discipline, consistency, and patience. That's it, folks. You have to work your home-based business like a business. Whoa. But yeah, I'm Paul with Crazy Cash Flyer, and we have other programs as well that are converting. But right now, this is hot to go, folks. The pancakes are on. Put some syrup on it and eat it up. While it's hot, it's the new launch of Crazy Cash Flyer, direct response marketing. It happens quicker than I know of anything else, and it doesn't require a computer, a squeeze page, a website. Here's your website. The stamp is your funnel, and your stickers that have the hot buyer leads on. Folks, jump in. My information, is in the description. You can even pay via CashApp, and we can get you started, get your starter kit in the mail within a few days, and you'll be up and going. Please, if you like this video, please like. If there's any comments, any questions, put them in the comment section. And please subscribe to this channel and hit the all notifications bell, because what we have on this channel will make you money if you take action. Direct response marketing. If there's any questions, you can also give me a call. I answer my phone even after you sign up. I don't go into the witness protection program. My number is 862-658-2086. Coming to you right outside the money capital world, New York City. Barletta Marketing, 862-658-2086. Thank you for stopping by, and God bless. Bye-bye.